You can make an extra 10K a month on TikTok just by using AI. You don't even need to show your face. I'm sure you've seen Faceless AI TikTok accounts like this one going super viral on your For You page. All it takes is 4 AI tools. I think they're all free, or you can find free versions of them. I'll lay them out for you right now. There are a ton of different ways to implement this to make money. You can start your own brand and promote your own product. You can promote somebody else's product from the TikTok shop, or you can just start a theme page and go for the creativity program beta and just make money off your views. Once you've decided what kind of account you want to make, you need to come up with a script for your TikTok. You can use ChatGPT to write one for you, or you can write it yourself, whatever you want to do. Then you're going to want to go to Midjourney AI. It's an AI photo generator, and pick the topic of each sentence of your script and generate one photo for each sentence. This is going to be the content of your TikTok. The next AI tool you need is 11 Labs. Put your script into 11 Labs and then generate an AI voiceover that you can use for your TikTok. Then take your Midjourney images and your AI voiceover and put them into CapCut, and use CapCut to animate the photos using effects and keyframes to pan and crop around to make it seem like it's a video even though they're just still images. I would also use CapCut to generate text-to-speech captions for your voiceover that just pop up in the middle of the screen. Lastly, and this is optional, you can use Pexels to get some stock video clips so that you can mix in real footage along with your AI generated photos just to make your TikTok seem more realistic. That's all it takes. You never need to show your face, and a ton of people are making a ton of money doing this.